Hi! In your organization, you're probably hearing the word project being thrown about frequently. You may even be assigned a project and may be wondering, how is this any different from what I'm already doing in my day to day job? Have you ever stopped to think, what does a project really mean? Well, I'm going to ask you to take a few minutes with me to better understand what a project is and isn't, as it can significantly influence the success of your project. There are three things you need to understand about a project. One, a project is temporary. If there's only one thing you take away from this video, it's this. Make sure you understand what done means. If you don't have a clear definition of the finish line for your project, it will quickly get out of control with an ever increasing scope of work. Two, projects create unique deliverables. These can be products, services, or results. Rebranding your company, that's a project. Implementing a new training program, that's a project. Launching a new app to market, that's a project. This is contrasted by operational work, which is repetitive and ongoing. Answering service calls, not a project. Reviewing legal contracts, also not a project. Three, projects require progressive definition. This means projects are typically defined broadly at the beginning and is defined in more detail over time. For example, you may be assigned replacing an insufficient software tool in order to solve a problem for your team. At first, you may only know what the problem is. It will be up to you and your project team to figure out the long-term business needs, the options, recommendation, and implementation plan. So there you have it, three hallmarks of a project. If you can learn to recognize these, you'll be off to a great start, as you'll know what type of work should be in your project and not. Are you an unofficial project manager? What are some of the pain points or frustrations working on projects you have? If you'd like to share, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you like this video, I'd appreciate you clicking that like button. And if you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to follow me. May you have continued success with your projects.